Here's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. Kind of a dark charcoal gray, one owner, clean Carfax, 27,000 miles. Really an awesome, I think, for amenities and price, style. I really think this van gives you everything you would look for at a really good value. The GT gives you the smoked headlamp look there. As you can see, you got your classic crosshair, darked out grille. Gives it a little bit of a sportier look. This isn't your mama's minivan, you know. It gives a little bit of style to it. I think it looks sharp over here. You can see the GT also gives you these kind of dark inserted, black inserted alloy front face, brushed aluminum front face wheels. Gives it that nice sporty look. You can see you got decent tread on these tires, probably about 6-7/32, about half tread. Also a nice brand new rotor there and brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. As you can see, as we look inside, got leather seating, 2 captain's chairs, full console runs in between. We got the offset white stitching, charcoal leather, charcoal cloth, a little bit of brushed aluminum accents that run through the grille and the door panel. That red stitching does as well. Let's go ahead and open up this door. Now, one really nice thing about this is we have power doors, so let's just open them both up. Simply through the key fob here, as you can see, I can open both power doors, the power hatch. It also is equipped with remote start, and you have your keyless entry. So I just open them both up so you can see there. Very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room for your second row occupants. Also, you got quad seating or split captain's chairs, which gives you easy access to that rear seat area there. You don't have to crawl over any seats. Also, this has the stow and go. So essentially, you can just pull this mat back here, open up that well underneath, and with a few flips of the handle, this whole seat will fold right down into the floor. So that's really a nice feature as well. Now, besides just using the key fob, if we want to shut this door, we got a power door button right there. So we'll shut that one that way. And then I just will show you the rear tire here. As you can see, it's matching Yokohama like the front. A little more meat on these, probably about 7-8/32. You can see scuff-free sport wheel there as well. Now, when we continue around, like I said, it also has the power hatch. So let's access it via the button. And you can see it also has a backup camera as it goes up right there. You also have a pull handle there for the hatch, which will engage the auto release as well. And as you can see here, stow and go seats here as well. Simple as 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply pull that, it'll fold down. Number 2 will release it, and 3 will flip it back, and you can use 4 just to grab a hold of it. So these seats will flip back into this deep well. Now, of course, when they're stowed up, you got grocery bag hooks here on the back, so it'll keeps your groceries or whatever you have back here from shifting around, because you got this nice well that the seats are stowed in when they're in the upright position. So that's a nice little extra benefit. Your jack stowage is inside there, and then here is the button, another button to bring down that power hatch. Now, we'll continue around. All I just want to show you here is we have this door open, a shot from the driver's side, and I'm going to use the same button on this pillar to go ahead and shut that power sliding door. And before I go up to the front, just to show you again the tires here. Now, these are Yokohamas as well, as you can see, and the wheel is scuff-free on that side also. Now, we've made our way to the driver's side front. I do want to show you the full power seat with power lumbar there. And we'll give you a quick little tour. I've already showed you the key. So let me show you the controls. We got a power vent button here to open your back glass on both sides. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors, all located in one place. Makes it easy. See 27,000, went away. Let's go ahead and start it up anyway so you can hear the engine. Also like to show you, we keep the auto history on the dash of all of our vehicles. There you can see one owner, clean auto history. You'll find that laying up there on the dash of all of our cars as well. Very upfront. Now let's go and continue the tour. We got your automatic headlamp button over here, push for your fogs. Got your cluster dimmer and your interior dimmer sliders there. We got your windshield washers. We got high beams, turn signals located all on that multifunction switch. There's your Bluetooth. These buttons are to control your center computer. As you can see, I can go to fuel economy. There you have your fuel economy. I can go back. We can go to vehicle speed, trip info, vehicle info, anything you want right there on that center options list, all controlled by that control panel. We've got your cruise control on the right. Your automatic selector is here, and you do have the ability to manually control it at the bottom with the auto stick feature. We got, I believe, there you can see we got AM FM satellite radio there on your with push button nav. All right, and let's just hit view map. Just want to show you it does come equipped with the factory navigation, which is nice. This GT does do that. It gives you the factory nav, satellite radio. It's a little bit of an upgrade over the XT, which does not give that to you. It also gives you heated steering wheel and heated front seats. So you really, that's where I was saying, get a lot of features for such a low price. Also, here's your ability to turn on your 115 volt power supply. Of course, you have your automatic temperature setting with two sliders there you can see. That's all automatically controlled as well. So everything you need there right in this center area. Let's go ahead and open this. You can see your connectivity. There's a USB connect, a 12 volt power supply. Got two large cup holders. Another little hidden door here for change and some items. So that nice console works real well. Here's some more buttons to use your power doors or your power hatch. You can also lock your windows on and off. You have your LED map lights. You also have your universal home link right there in your vanity. We do have illuminated vanity, as you can see there. Auto dim rear view mirror. And I believe, we'll check, we may or may not. It does not look like this particular one has entertainment, but you do have rear climate control knobs, as you can see back there. So yeah, gives you a nice little option. Let's go ahead and pop the hood on this. I know we got a V6. I believe it's a 3.8 liter. But plenty of power to get you where you need to go in this van. We all know families, you're in deadlines. 3.6 liter, my apologies. This van will get you where you need to go. See, very clean, quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. You'll notice the yellow designations on a lot of the caps and dipstick handles, just to kind of let you know where your important fluids are for either checking or changing, refilling. You can see no corrosion at all in the terminals. Very, very clean, quiet, well-maintained engine. I'm going to turn this vehicle off. We'll get into the next portion. Next portion of this video I really think differentiates us here at Thomas, not only completely upfront in our pricing as well as mechanical conditioning and reconditioning, also in the cosmetic appearance of our vehicles. If I find anything that would make this car otherwise less than perfect, chips, scratches, dings, or dents, make sure to let you know. I reiterate, it is a one owner with a clean Carfax. All the body lines are nice, straight, and clean, shows no signs of any prior paint. And so far, I haven't really noticed any nasty little marks. Here's 3 scratches, one there, and one there, all been touched up with factory matching paint. That's all on the left rear quarter panel. Got a little scrapage, scuffage here on the corner of that rear fascia. Little scratch right there on the top side. A couple little minor scratches in the chrome here as well for loading and unloading cargo. Got a little ding dead center with a couple little scratches down below on the bottom portion of the fascia. Little ding here, little dent with a little bit of paint damage right on the corner. Rest of it looks pretty good. Coming around the quarter panel here, looks fine. Got a little ding right there, a little scrape. That passenger side sliding door. Front door looks okay. Fender looks fine. A little scuff down there in the corner. A little bit of bug damage here, you can see. A couple little stone chips. Little gouge underneath that headlamp. Got Got a little gouge in the front bumper cover right there. If you can see that little puncture. Small, but there. Rest of it seems pretty nice and clean. Let's check the top of this hood out. Really, the stones haven't gotten to the hood at all. Looks good. So there you have it, guys. We found a couple little scrapes and scratches, but otherwise, very much a new car alternative. Save thousands over new. Like I say, very, very affordable with a lot of options for your family and utility. There is still the remainder of Chrysler's comprehensive and powertrain warranty, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. If you're interested, give us a call, area code 717-485-4224. Look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. Appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.